Hello, good morning students. Today we will discuss about the light chapter. In the light, as you know, what is the light? We can see any objects. We can see the things which is inside our room, outside of the room, in our environment by the help of what? Light. Due to the reflection of light. So, first of all, what is the actual meaning of light? Light means what? It is the form of energy which gives the sensation of vision. Sense of vision. It means when the light falls on the object and that object reflects, the light reflects from the object and when it makes an image to our eyes, in our eyes, then we see that object. Means due to the reflection of the light, we are able to see the what? Things. So, what is the, when we define in another way, what is the light? Means light also can be also defined as the form of energy which makes the things visible. It means light makes the things visible. Light makes the things visible. Suppose take one example. If you are in the dark, can you see any objects which is present in your room? I think no. Yes. What is the reason? Why we cannot see the things which is present inside your room, in a dark room? What is it? It means there is no reflection of light in the room. There is in the dark room. There is no any reflection of the light. So we can't see any things in a dark room. But when we glow the bulb, at that time what will happen? We are able to see of everything which is present inside the room. That's only one reason for that. When we glow the bulb, at that time what will happen? The ray of the reflection of the light falls on the body, and from the body it falls to our eyes, and we are able to see the what? The things. So, in generally, we can also define as what is light? Light is a sense of what? Vision. Light a sense of vision. Now, means actually another way we can see what is the light? Light is a form of energy. What is that? It is also the form of energy. Take one example. When we heat the iron, then it heated, but heat energy is produced. After the heat, it becomes what? It gives the what? Light. From when it is heated, yes, when the iron is heated, from there also the light is produced or not. So what is that? It means it is a form of what? We can say it is one type of light is a what? One form of energy which is produced, which is produces the sense of sight, which is the ability of vision, have the capacity to see the objects. So the light is always one thing, the light is always travel in a straight line. Light is always travel in a straight line. Even for that, we can also do the several experiments. How we can say that the light can be travel in a straight line. I will show you. So let's watch this video. So light and we also always travel in a straight line when it is propagated in the same mediums. It means when it propagated in the same medium, yes, at that time light always travel in a straight line. But when the medium is changed, at that time it diverges. That is also we have to remind it that when the light is changed from one medium to another medium, at that time what? It bends. Yes. So the speed of the light in the vacuum is 3 lakh kilometers per second. So it is the highest speed. Yes, highest speed travel of the light. So we have to take the light which comes from the sun. Yes, from the sun, how far it is. But from the sun to the earth, it takes what? 8 minutes 20 seconds. 8 minutes 20 seconds to reach the light from the sun to the earth. Yes, so light is always traveling in a straight line in the same medium. Yes, so light is very important. Yes, in our daily life, we are unable to see any object in the absence of light. So light require what we require the what? Light to do our daily works. And there is, you have seen, but during the daytime we do not need the what? Light. During the daytime we do not need the what? Light. But what is the reason? I think, can you think what is the reason? Yes, due to the presence of sunlight, the ray of the light from the sun gives, and we are no need to have to blow the bulb, yes, during the daytime. So once again, let's remind it, what is the light? Light is the form of energy which is produced the sense of vision or the sight, or we can also define as light is the form of energy which makes the things visible. Take one example. Suppose here is a light. Again, here is a light. Here is a light, and here is the object, and here is the persons. Okay, means when the ray of light falls on this object, I told you light always travels in a straight line. When this falls down to the eyes, then it makes the in our image is formed in our eyes, and we can say that this is the object. Okay, in this way, what happens? The light transfer. We are able to see the objects. So now, what is ray? Beam of light, divergent and convergent, parallel beam of light. Okay, we'll discuss now. Here is a ray of light. What is the ray of light? The ray of light is the direction of the path flowed by the light. It means, we can also say that ray means a single narrow path, which is flowed by the light, that is called what? Ray. What is that? Ray. Ray means, what is a ray of the light is the direction of the path which is flowed by the light. It's called ray, or we can also say that what is ray? Ray is the what? Narrow path which is flowed by light, that is called ray. So another is, this ray is always what? Represented by the straight line with a arrow head. It is always represented with a small, it is a single path, single narrow path, which is represented with a straight line with arrow head. Means in which direction the light is passing, going, in which direction the light is going. That is the what? It is traveling, shows the what? Direction. In which direction the light is passing. So it is always denoted by arrow head. Another is beam of light. Beam of light means the collection of the several ray of light. The collection of several ray of light, that is called what? Beam of light. Once again, what is beam of light? The collection of several beam of light, the several ray of light, that is called what? Beam of light. So beam of the light are classified into three types: parallel beam of light, convergent beam of light, and divergent beam of light. These three types beam of light are classified into three types. One is convergent, divergent, and parallel beam of light. I will show you what is parallel beam of light, what is convergent beam of light, what is divergent beam of light. Okay. Okay, now let's discuss about parallel beam of light. What is the parallel beam of light? We have seen a single path is travel in a forward by light, that is the ray. A single path is called what ray. But the parallel beam of light means the ray which is parallel to each other. Now I will show you here the ray of the light which is parallel to each other. They all are what? Parallel to each other. This is the what? Ray of, this is a parallel beam of light. Means all of them are parallel to each other. Now take one example from the sun. This is the sun. Okay, and from the sun, the ray of the light falls on this earth parallelly. This is what? The parallel beam of light. What is the parallel beam of light? The beam of the light which all the rays are parallel to each other is called parallel beam of light. The beam of light which all the rays are parallel to each other, they are called what? Parallel beam of light. Another is convergent beam of light. Convergent means from the source of the light, it's when it meets at a point. When from the source of the light, when all the reflected rays meets at a point, that is called convergent beam of light. You have seen this. In the concave mirror, it is the convergent beam of light is formed. Then what is that convergent mirror and divergent? I will tell you later. So first of all, let's understand what is that convergent. Later I will tell you about the convergent and the divergent. So in the convergent mirror, this convergent beam of light is formed. Take one example. From the source, it is a bulb. The bulb ray of the light which comes from the, or we can also say this, it is the hand lens. Have you seen the hand lens, everybody? Means the ray of the light all are convergent and all the ray of the light meets at a point. That is called, it is a hand lens. You have seen the hand lens? Yes. Means the ray of the light which comes from the source, all the ray of the light converge at a point, meets at a point. Here you have seen, and all the ray of the light meets at a single point. That is called what? Convergent beam of light. This convergent of the concave mirror, especially is occurring where? In a concave mirror. It is occurring in a concave mirror. All the ray of the light have converged at a point. Yes, that is the word convergent beam of light. Once again, what is the convergent beam of light? The beam of the light in which the ray of the light meets at a point, that is called what? Convergent beam of light. It is mainly reflected by the what? Concave mirror. Now, divergent. What is that divergent? Means divergent beam of light means from a point, when the light is scattered. Yes, scattered. That is called what? Divergent beam of light. Scattered means what? Short, no? This divergent to all the directions. That is called what? Divergent beam of light. Take one example. Suppose here is the source. Here is the sun. What is sun? From the sun, the ray of the light are diverged to all the directions. Means from a single point, when the ray of the light are falls in every direction, that is called what? Divergent beam of light. This divergent beam of light are mainly occurred in convex mirror, where in a convex mirror. You have seen the torchlight also from a point when the light is scattered. This, that is what concave in a concave mirror. You have seen the vehicles, the light of the vehicles also from a point when the light is scattered. Yes, that is called what? Divergent beam of light. So the beam of the light are classified into three types: convergent, divergent, and parallel beam of light. Now I will show you the mirror. Here is the one thing is mirror. What is that mirror? And what is concave mirror and convex mirror? I will give you next.